Rare gem. Don't miss out on owning a home in charming old Homosassa. This 4-halves property has lots of possibilities, including 2 separate living units, allowing for potential rental income or mother-in-law suite connected through interior laundry area. The house on the main level boasts lots of character with beautiful hardwood floors throughout and exposed brick in living, dining and kitchen area. There are also 2 bedrooms, a breakfast nook, and 1 full-size bath with walk-in shower. The second floor includes another complete kitchen with eat-in bar, living area complete with electric fireplace, master bedroom with ensuite and additional bedroom. There are also 2 screened porches off the front of the house, where you can enjoy mornings and evening relaxing with your favorite beverage. The property also has a large area for storage underneath the second floor structure, space to park your recreational vehicles or boat, and a fully fenced side yard for your furry friends. With a little love, this home offers endless possibilities. Paved road, public water, septic, roof 2010. Launch your kayak, canoe or boat from surrounding boat launches within a few minutes of your new home. Discover the hundreds of small springs, islands, canals, and inlets in Homosassa Springs and Crystal River. Enjoy local seafood restaurants, waterfront bars, festivals, elementary school, and easy access to the Suncoast Parkway. Enjoy endless outdoor activities, boating, fishing, kayaking, canoeing, swimming and snorkeling on the famous Homosassa River from the springs to the Gulf of Mexico. Don't miss out, call to schedule a showing.